Welcome, beautiful soul. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You may sit upright with your feet resting gently on the floor or lie down comfortably. Allow your hands to rest softly by your sides or on your lap. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a slow deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Again, inhale peace and exhale all tension. One more deep breath, breathing in calm, breathing out anything you no longer need. With every breath, feel your body becoming lighter, calmer, and more relaxed. Imagine a warm golden light gently surrounding you like a comforting blanket of love and protection. This beautiful light is here to restore balance and harmony throughout your entire being. Now we'll gently journey through each of your 7 chakras. We start with the root chakra for safety. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Visualize a glowing red light spinning gently. As you breathe in, feel stability. As you breathe out, release fear. Silently repeat, I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported. Allow this red light to become brighter and stronger. Now we move to the sacral chakra for joy. Move your awareness to your lower abdomen. See a warm orange light glowing beautifully. Feel creativity, joy, and emotional freedom flowing through you. Repeat gently, I welcome joy, I embrace creativity, I flow with life. Now your solar plexus chakra for confidence. Let's focus just above your navel. Imagine a radiant, glowing, golden yellow sun shining within you. Feel your confidence awakening. Repeat after me. I am powerful. I trust myself. I can achieve anything. Feel your inner light expanding with every breath. Now we move to heart chakra for love. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Visualize a beautiful emerald green light blooming like a flower. Allow this light to fill your heart with compassion, forgiveness, and unconditional love. Repeat softly. I give love, I receive love, I am love. Feel your heart becoming lighter. We move to the throat chakra for expression. Now place your attention to your throat. See a calming sky blue light gently spinning. Allow your voice to become clear and authentic. Repeat, I speak my truth with confidence and kindness. We move to the third eye chakra for wisdom. Now focus between your eyebrows. Visualize a deep indigo light glowing peacefully. Feel clarity, intuition, and inner wisdom awakening. Repeat, I trust my intuition. My mind is clear. I see with wisdom. Now your crown chakra for divine connection. Finally, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a brilliant violet and white light gently pouring down from above like a waterfall of pure peace. Feel yourself connected to this violet light, filled with infinite love, divine wisdom, and universal healing. Repeat. I am connected. I am peaceful. I am one with universe. Now imagine all 7 chakras glowing together in perfect harmony. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. They align beautifully, creating a radiant column of healing light flowing through your body. Take one final deep breath in. Feel peace filling your cell, every cell. Slowly breathe out. Let go completely. Rest here for a few moments in silence. As we come to the end of this meditation, gently begin bringing awareness back to your body. Notice your breathing. Notice the surface beneath you. Gently wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. And when you feel ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this beautiful balance, peace, healing with you throughout your day. Thank you for meditating with me. If this meditation brought you peace, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone who could use a little healing today. May your mind be peaceful, your heart open, and your spirit shine brightly. Namaste.